With Universal's Fan Fest nights just around the corner, we stopped by the park specifically to try out, sample, and enjoy some of the brand new food coming to the exclusive event. Also, the Eldritch Blast cocktail was amazing. And I had no idea what edible glitter would do to a drink like this, but boy, does it stand out as amazing. There's tons of brand new food that really stands out that's going to be dedicated to each individual zone. From Star Trek themed drinks and food, Back to the Future inspired food and drinks, Dungeons and Dragons themed food and drinks, and also some inspired drinks dedicated to anime shows like One Piece, and more. For those that are coming to the event, not just for the food, but also the amazing merchandise, there will be so many things available for purchase for fans of all these franchises. Well, hopefully you guys are ready for Universal's Fan Fest nights and have your tickets already. If not, make sure to pick them up before they're gone. We'll see you guys at the park.